Hey there, fellow snack lovers. Are you ready to take your snacking game to the next level? Because today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious 7-layer dip that will make your taste buds dance. This dip has everything you could ever want in a snack: creaminess, crunch, and of course, lots of flavor. It's perfect for parties, movies nights, or anytime you're feeling snacky. So let's get started by going over the ingredients. We're going to be using 32 ounces of refried beans that we are going to add some seasonings to, 2 cups of guacamole, and this is Rachel's amazing recipe, 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cups of salsa, and 2 cups of shredded cheese, and I recommend fresh being the best. Some sliced green onions and some sliced up olives. Now, of course, you can add or subtract any of these items because the food you are eating should be something that you love. To assemble the 7-layer dip, the first thing we're going to do is make those 32 ounces of refried beans by adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix that until it's well combined, and if you have really dry beans, you can add about a tablespoon or 2 of water or chicken broth. We're going to take those seasoned beans and add them to the bottom of a 3-quart casserole dish. Spread that bean mixture from edge to edge, corner to corner, across the entirety of the bottom of that dish. Next, we're going to spread that delicious guacamole across the bean layer. Once again, spread it evenly. Top the guacamole layer with sour cream, and I really like doing it in this order because it helps seal the guacamole so it doesn't oxidize and turn brown. Pour the salsa on top of that sour cream layer and make sure to spread that evenly. For the salsa layer, I prefer a jarred salsa because it's not as juicy as fresh salsa. For layer number 5, it's all about the cheese. I'm a fan of cheddar cheese, but shredded pepper jack would also be delicious. Make sure to spread that evenly across the salsa layer. Then we're going to add on sliced olives. Add as much or as little as you like. And then that final layer, the green onions. That's it for the 7 layers, but feel free to make it 8, 9, 10, however many layers you want. Ideas for other additions can be found over on our website, but grab your chips and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.